Looking for ways to make your abaya stand out and feel truly elegant? Let me show you how I turned a simple black native fabric abaya into something absolutely stunning, without needing a whole new wardrobe. First, I went with soft black nata fabric as my base. Trust me, it drapes beautifully and feels so comfortable. Then, I chose a gold lace, making sure the color matched perfectly with the abaya's tone. That way it looks classy, not loud. I used the lace along the sleeves and border for a touch of luxury. For the neckline, I hand-stitched on some pearl beads. You don't need to go overboard. A few well-placed pearls can add just the right amount of shimmer. Small scissors and matching thread are must-haves, and if sewing isn't your thing, fabric glue works in a pinch. Here's a tip: always start with subtle beadwork on the neckline or sleeves. If you're feeling creative, add a single patch of embroidery on one side. It gives a modern touch while keeping it modest and chic. If you're unsure about where to place your lace or embroidery, just drop your question in the comments. I love helping you make your abayas unique. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more sewing tips and style inspiration. Your next elegant abaya is just a few stitches away. Discover the elegance of pastel abayas. For this look, I started with a soft blush pink fabric that's perfect for spring. I added delicate silver embroidery along the cuffs and hem for a subtle sparkle. To finish, I attached a lightweight chiffon overlay, giving the abaya a graceful, flowy effect. If you want to personalize it, try adding a small brooch or a fabric belt at the waist. These little touches make your abaya truly one of a kind. Let me know your favorite color combinations in the comments. Let's try a bold, modern abaya design. I picked a deep navy blue fabric and paired it with geometric pattern trims in white and gold. For a contemporary twist, I added side slits and layered the abaya over a matching palazzo pant. Don't be afraid to experiment with patterns. Just keep the base color solid for balance. If you're new to sewing, use iron-on trims for easy application. Share your creative abaya ideas below. And don't forget to subscribe for more style inspiration.